Hey everybody, Wire here. We're going to work on these pliers here. A friend of mine, he I think he left them outside. He wanted me to redo them for me. I don't think I can get these together, but they really are jammed and they're pretty rusty. Now he said these were a set of Kleins, but I know that these are channel locks from the blue grips here. And in fact, Channel Lock has a copyright on their blue grips, so nobody else can put their tools with blue grips. So, like I said, he said they were Kleins, but I can barely make out lock here, and I'm pretty sure it says Channel there. But we'll check it out. Let's clean this up a little bit and get these to work, and see what this looks like. Okay, I'll clean these up a little bit so see if we could see where it says Channel Lock at, and it's written right here. It's it was lasered on, so these are a newer pair. They weren't etched in. You can barely make it. I'm pretty sure that we're going to lose that once we get this all cleaned up. But I just want to take the rust off of it just to get these, so we can get some WD-40 in there and get these opened up, and we can get these all nice and shiny again. So let me get some WD-40 on this and see if we can open this up. Okay, we got these free. Seem to be okay. I think they'll loosen up a little bit more as we clean them up. And these really ain't in bad shape. The cutters are real good. They're a nice set of Linesman pliers, really are. I'm going to clean these all up. What I want to do is we're going to tape all this off and put some soda can around it so we don't damage the grips on this. But I want to clean this up a little bit more and get this all nice and shiny, and we'll get it and we'll work from there. So let me get the this metal stained a lot, so I think all the rust is off of it, but not too bad. I can feel it give a little bit in here. Like I said, I think as we go along this will loosen up a little bit better. I can still see some stuff coming out of it. So let's clean. Let me get set up so we can clean this up and get this all polished. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all done here. They turned out pretty nice. Open, close them real nice. Polished them up the best I could. I couldn't get all the pitting or stain out. I wasn't going to take this too far because these are getting put back in service. I think he left them outside and they got really rusty. And but they're working great now. The grips are in okay condition. They have a little bit of wear on them, but they're not coming apart. So these are as good as new. And like I said, there's really the blades seem to be in really good condition. Let me get a piece of wire here. And, let's see if we can cut this stuff. Yes, these really cut real good. So I think these were a pretty good new pair or something, and I guess they were just stuck outside or something. But they are working real good. So we'll leave it at that. Like I said, I couldn't get the staining out. I didn't want to go that deep into it because these are a working set of pliers. It's not like it's going to be put in a collection. And they're fairly new, so they're not that old. Anyway, fellas, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Wired Wireworks. See ya.